In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Facebook Lite app. So if you've been experiencing problems or challenges with your Facebook Lite, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix these errors and get your Facebook app Lite up and running smoothly. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do to be able to troubleshoot any issue related to your Facebook Lite is to access the app information page in the first method to troubleshoot the problem. To do this, it is quite simple. Just head over to settings, and then from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from here, you will see this option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps, depending on your phone. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you see the option called Lite. And if I scroll down, you can see my Lite is here. Alternatively, you can go ahead and just search app here, and you should be able to find your app. So if I tap on it, you can see now I'm on the app information page. Alternatively, if getting here is quite tedious or you can't get here, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just exit and then go ahead and look for your app. And once you find your app, just long press on it and choose this option called app info. From here, you'll be able to get to the same page. And you can see I'm on the app info page. Now at this stage, we want to go ahead and clear the app cache data, and that we shall use this clear data option. So if I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data on our Facebook Lite. So when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you interact or you use it. And these files are normally stored to enhance user experience. The problem is the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So to clear this data, just go ahead and tap on clear data here, and then you'll see this option called clear cache, and then OK, and the cache files will be cleared. Now at this stage, restart your smartphone and then try opening your Facebook Lite app and see if it works well. Now, if that didn't work, then you might want to proceed and use the second method, which is the final method, and that is updating the app or looking for any update on your app. Now, for that, you'll need to go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll look for the app through Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and look for Play Store, and my Play Store is here, and then tap on it and look for Facebook Lite. And as you can see, mine is here. From here, look for any option called update here. If you see update here, it means you have been using an outdated version of this app. Proceed and tap on update. And this will go ahead and download or install the latest features that comes with Facebook Lite. From here now, this will fix all the bugs or security issues that were associated with the older version of your app. Proceed and tap on open to start using your app without any problem. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.